Welcome to a day in the life of living off grid in the mountains and getting ready to leave a campsite. We've been staying at this campsite for almost 2 weeks now, and it's time to pack up and go to the next destination. I just finished with some work, and now we're going to go head into town, which is about 30 minutes away, which is where we're going to pick up our groceries. We have literally no groceries, so we need some. Like, this is what our fridge looks like right now. Pretty much just a few leftovers. Nothing. Can you try to pick it up? I am not motivated to put these up, so I put my show on to help me. Which thankfully I can do because my battery is on 100 and we have sun tomorrow too. Much better. Well, that was until the cows knocked over the Starlink. It's so hard for me to yell at them. Go! No! Go! 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 Get! Get! Go! Oh my gosh. Y'all, I was slightly freaking out because when the cows tripped over this, my Starlink was like completely vertical. Almost. I'd never seen it like that. And anyway, I fixed it now. I unplugged it and yeah, I think it's good now. There is a slight buzzing noise from it, but I think that's normal, I read. So since the cows have made their bed for tonight in our backyard, and they're definitely not going anywhere, I'm going to climb up on the roof and put the Starlink up there and bring my panels in. Oh my gosh. The next thing I need to do is finish up my dishes, which I only have this much fresh water left. So hopefully I can get it done, which also means that we can't take showers and we need some showers. So I think we're going to go swimming later and then get a shower there. Okay, we're not gonna go swimming because I have to get caught up on work, so, and Jet doesn't want to go. So I'm just gonna use the rest of the water that I have in here just to like wash my hair real quick. We're taking one last walk before we leave the campsite. Hi, babies! So scared. Good morning. It is almost 8 a.m. now, and it's time to get out of here. So let's go. I'm just putting everything into its stable position. Sage's litter box was in there, but we're gonna move that into the truck for travel. You guys may be wondering why I'm showing this, but I just like to bring you along through every single part of the process, even though this isn't even every part. this is just what I was able to film. But I think sometimes I forget kind of how not common it is to see a single mom, a single woman doing this kind of life. So I just like to show that, and I hope it encourages you guys too. Okay, I am dumping my gray and black tank, filling up with some water at this RV park. It was like 7 minutes from where we were. It's really hard leaving a campsite because you get so attached in that 2 weeks that you're living there. But then it's like once you do go to the next site, you feel that same way there too. So it's worth it. That's honestly one of my favorite things about this lifestyle, is that it constantly pushes you out of your comfort zone, and it brings you to the most beautiful places that end up changing your life that you would have never visited otherwise. Okay, we are about 30 minutes out from the next site. I'm just praying and hoping that there is an open spot, because we are gonna get there at like 5:45 p.m., which is pretty late, and it's a Thursday. I would have preferred to come on a Monday or Tuesday, but that didn't work out the way I planned. We made it. The road is super rocky, and I already see campers here, and I hope there's a spot. Oh my god, there's so many dips. Oof. So that's us all the way over there. We kind of joined this spot that has literally 2 other people in it. I found out that there's no service here, which on Campendium it said that there's 2 bars of Verizon. So that means if I don't have any service, that means I have to leave by like Sunday, because I have to work. But this campsite is so beautiful. Originally, I wanted like a spot here or over there, but they closed it off. I don't know why. Bro, I am like singing the Spirit soundtrack, about to cry. I'm just so thankful. Like, this is actually crazy that this is my life. And yeah, I'm just so grateful to experience this, to be in the presence of this. Even though it's really challenging at times and it's a lot of work, strenuous physical work, it is so worth it. Like, I show the non-glamorous parts, but I don't want to bypass how amazing it is. Like, how actually worth it is, worth all the work that you put in. And to some people it's not going to be worth it, but you know, to people like me that feel alive in nature, and like I feel more at home here than in the state that I grew up my entire life. So it's so worth it.